Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with a screen similar to this one, which allows you to select your desired language and click on Start. And here we can insert a SIM card. This will allow you to connect to a mobile network, or you can skip this and connect to Wi-Fi instead. And if you want to skip both of them, which typically you would be able to, you won't have date and time be set automatically. You also won't have the Google login page show through the setup process, and you won't be able to restore the device from a cloud backup. But this is only if you go through the setup process. Afterward, the setup is completed, you can still reconnect to network and do all of that I mentioned. Now for me, I am forced to connect to network as this device is FRP locked, so I will need to verify that I'm the legitimate user. So here we can copy apps and data. Even though we're not connected to network, I believe if you wanted to do this, it would either bring you back to the Wi-Fi page if you haven't connected, or this could be done through application. So here I have the verification portion, so I do need to verify it. And in your case, you would not see this. What you would see instead is this page right here with the Google sign in. So you can sign in if you want to. If you don't, you can skip this, but it's Android, so you most likely want to, as this gives you access to the Google Play Store with all the applications that are available in there. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn all of those off if you want to, but let's be honest, it's Google, so turning those off probably does very little to turn them off, actually. As you know, Google will gather data one way or another, most likely. Now, next we have fingerprint. So you can set up a fingerprint unlock if you want to, or you can skip this if you don't really care. This will also jump to the screen lock. So we have choice between PIN, pattern, or password. By default, it opts into a 4-digit PIN. But like I said, you can choose also pattern or password from here, or you don't have to protect your device at all if you don't want to, though I wouldn't recommend this, but you can just skip it if you want to. And it also asks if you want to set up face unlock. If you do want to set up face unlock, it will bring you back to the PIN, pattern, or password, as you cannot have biometric unlock without a physical way of unlocking the device. Oh, actually, wait, I don't want that. Yep, skip, there we go. Review additional apps. So we have WhatsApp Messenger included. Guess no choice there. Next, we have choose the dominant hand, or right or left. There we go. Next vision, TCL is just kind of improvements to image quality with exposure, saturations, and all that stuff. You can enable this if you want to. They also have a standard definition range to high dynamic range. Next up, screen colors. We have vivid, standard. It's kind of interesting that they give you this option throughout the setup process. But anyway, you can choose whichever one you just think looks better to you. Next, we have home screen. So we have home and drawer screen. So you basically swipe up to access all your applications. This is the standard kind of Android thing. Or you can have basically home screen only with all the applications all over your home screen. Similar to what Apple has or used to have. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.